As the day goes on, I assume that some of these businesses right here in the city will start to flip their signage to say masks will be required instead of recommended, or they will simply take down the signage in general, especially after masks have become so controversial over the last, maybe 2 years now. Now, Denver's mask mandate is no longer in place starting today, but the public health order requiring masks in schools and childcare facilities is still in place. In Adams and Arapahoe County, the Tri-County Health Department Board also decided to let its mask mandate expire today. That means masks will no longer be required in public indoor spaces, schools, and childcare settings. Douglas County does not have an indoor mask mandate. Larimer County's mask mandate is set to expire on February 11th. In Boulder County, they will continue to have their mask mandate. Now, Thursday, the Jefferson County Board of Health voted to allow the mask mandate to expire on February 18th, but this change does not apply to its schools. So definitely there are a lot of moving parts there once you get into the different counties, some of them requiring masks in some of those school settings or some of those other settings, especially those type of places where you may have children who are ineligible to be vaccinated at this time, Gary.
Yeah, Darius, speaking of children, the Children's Museum had to close down a couple of weeks ago. They said that people were just not treating the staff right because of the mask mandate. Anyway, they're going to open tomorrow, and what are they going to do going forward, do you think?
Yeah, they actually just gave us some information. They basically said they are going to be requiring masks. The only exception is if you have an approved exemption and a negative COVID test from the past 3 days. You can also take it off in the museum's outdoor areas, but whenever you're inside, you need to have it on. Also, they say a lot of people like to pull a bandana over their face, but the museum says you actually have to wear a cloth or a surgical mask, Gary.
Okay, I hope that goes better than it did last time. Thank you very much.